Have you ever wondered how fighter jets stay in the air for hours, covering vast distances without landing to refuel? Well, the answer lies in one of the most complex and dangerous maneuvers in aviation, aerial refueling. This critical process allows military jets to extend their missions, penetrate deep into enemy territory, and maintain a strategic advantage. But how does it work? How do pilots connect with a moving tanker at speeds of 300+ miles per hour? Let me explain. Aerial refueling, also called air-to-air refueling, AAR, is a method where one aircraft, called the tanker, transfers fuel to another aircraft, called the receiver, while both are flying. This allows the receiving aircraft, usually a fighter jet or bomber, to extend its range without needing to land. This technology is vital for military operations, enabling air forces to carry out missions over long distances without relying on ground bases or aircraft carriers. But how do pilots refuel while flying at hundreds of miles per hour? Well, there are two primary methods used worldwide, the boom system and the probe and drogue system. The first and most common method, especially in the United States Air Force, is the boom system. This technique uses a rigid telescoping boom that extends from the tanker to connect with the receiving aircraft. A boom operator inside the tanker manually controls the boom, guiding it into a designated refueling port located on the upper fuselage of the receiving aircraft. Once locked in, fuel is pumped at a high rate, sometimes over 1,000 gallons per minute, allowing the fighter jet to refuel quickly and efficiently. The second method, used by NATO, the U.S. Navy, and many other air forces worldwide, is the probe and drogue system. Instead of a rigid boom, the tanker releases a flexible hose with a basket-shaped drogue at the end. The fighter pilot must skillfully maneuver the aircraft's refueling probe, usually located on the nose or wing, into the drogue. Once connected, fuel is transferred at a lower rate than the boom system. But this method allows multiple aircraft to refuel simultaneously. Because aerial refueling is so difficult, pilots undergo extensive training before they attempt it in real-world operations. They start in flight simulators, learning the techniques and procedures in a controlled environment. Once proficient, they practice with real tankers in the sky, sometimes refueling dozens of times before becoming fully qualified. Aerial refueling is one of the most impressive and essential capabilities in modern military aviation. It allows fighter jets and bombers to fly farther, stay in the fight longer, and complete critical missions worldwide. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing facts. See you in the next video.